All right, example 3 is we have a 3-team tug of war, A, B, and C, and we know how the magnitude and direction that team A is pulling, magnitude and direction that team B is pulling, and we want to figure out the magnitude that team C has to pull in order to keep the ropes from moving. So if we think about this, really, team A and B, we can consider them one team pulling against C. So we just need to find the sum of their vectors. So notice we give it in the IJ notation. So I like to change it into the component notation. This would be 4, 5 for A, and B would be negative 1, 3. So just to add the two vectors, we add their components, 4, 5 plus negative 1, 3. And that is going to end up being 3, 8. So when A and B pull together, they pull in this direction. All right, so that's the sum, and we know the components, 3 in the x direction, 8 in the y. So we can figure out the magnitude and the direction. So the magnitude is simply 3 squared plus 8 squared, and then take the square root of that, and I punch in my calculator, and I get roughly 8.54. So that's the magnitude that they are pulling together. And then the direction, I like to use the untangent because opposite over adjacent is 8 over 3. So the arctangent of 8/3 is roughly 69.44 degrees. So I know that's 69.44. So if we're going to balance these out, we need a vector. Vector C simply has to be in the opposite direction with the same magnitude. So we know the magnitude is 8.54. And if that is 69.4, actually we've got a little, what would that be? If that's 69.44, I believe that's, right, 69.44. So we have to add 180 to it. So 180 degrees plus 69.44 equals, let's type that in my calculator real quick. And it's about 249.44 degrees.